Volkswagen vehicles have protective covers on the wheel bolts for a more attractive appearance and to help protect them from damage. Some Volkswagen models also have wheel covers, which must be removed in order to access the wheel bolts. Here's how to remove them. The toolkit that is combined with the jack in the trunk of the vehicle contains a wire pin with a loop. This is a cover removal tool. To remove the wheel bolt covers, insert the hook end into the hole in the middle of the cover and pull. Set the covers where they will not be damaged while you change the tire. When you're finished changing the tire, slip the cover back on and push until seated. To remove wheel covers from steel wheels, you will use the same wire pin tool. Place the hook of the tool in one of the openings of the wheel cover and pull. If you need more leverage, slip the lug wrench through the loop and use 2 hands to pull. You may need to do this in more than one place on the wheel cover. To replace the wheel cover, make sure the valve stem cutout aligns with the valve stem and press the wheel cover firmly onto the wheel. Make sure that the wheel cover is completely latched onto the rim along the entire circumference. Be sure to watch the videos for tips and how to change a tire for more information before attempting to change a tire yourself. And always read the owner's manual for important information and warnings.